Hey guys, brace yourselves because this video is going to take you on a wild ride. So I've been feeling pretty lonely lately. You know how it goes. There are just certain activities that are way more fun with a partner in crime. Like going for an epic road trip. It's no fun driving cross-country and rocking out to classic Guns N' Roses tracks all alone, or pulling off an elaborate prank by yourself. What I'm really craving is a partner you can count on through thick and thin. Someone who will have your back whether you're healthy as a horse or deathly ill from that questionable gas station sushi. You feel me? Alright, so get this. I'm scrolling through the gram as I do, and I come across this absolutely gorgeous Instagram model. Her comments are flooded with thousands of people drooling over her beauty and willing to pay thousands of dollars to chat with her. But the catch is, she's not real. She is one of these hyper-realistic AI-generated models that are being generated now, and guess what? We will be making one today. In this video, I will show you how to create your own AI girlfriend using free AI tools, and I will guide you step by step using the fastest, easiest, and most importantly, free methods to create the girl of your dreams. Just some simple apps and your crippling desire for a low-maintenance romantic companion. Let's go. Take a look at this AI-generated Instagram baddie named Aitana Lopez. I mean, she is perfect. She is a fitness influencer, she is pretty obvious, and my favorite thing about her is that she earns up to $10,000 a month with her spicy content. Who doesn't want a girlfriend like that?